Well, here she is. In all her glory with her back end sticking out.
Her butt sticking out of the garage.
It's a bit sad, but it is what it is. He's fast, man. He's already got the other engine out.
Did you, was there anything in the oil you could see?
Just no big chunks, just fine metal sparkles, right?
Not enough to damage the bearing.
Oh, and it's the bearing material that you're hearing, right? So that's the lack of bearing. So all that little fine material will be floating around in the oil, right?
Well, I was shocked that he had the other engine out already. Never mind.
That was a surprise. It was surprising even.
He's got the new one in. Look at that.
Very late couple nights there.
Oh my goodness, I'll bet.
The bolt's broke in the exhaust manifold.
Oh, awesome.
So I have a new one to go in for that. And one other thing I noticed is the oil pressure sending unit on here was leaking.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna have to replace that.
Okay. But for us, you know, considering
I'm a magic worker.
apparently looks nice too. There's huge heads in that thing.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Oh, sure. Oh, yeah, now you want to play with that.
I
yes.
know.
It's really dirty though. I don't want to touch it.
She's been very grumpy because I've kept her up late.
Oh, you're up late.
She comes and starts licking my face, telling me to go to bed.
And how about the dog?
That's what I'm talking about.
See what I did there? Did you see what I did?
Exactly.
Come down, lick his face to get on the phone with it. That's weird. I'm
No,
sorry.
I've been here falling asleep, but he's like, what are you doing? I'm like, no, keep going. Do you need me to make you a coffee?
Well, you've been driving him to do this, have you?
Oh, yeah.
Have you? You trying to get out of here for a vacation or something?
Yeah, he leaves Thursday for Arizona,
What's in his life?
his bachelor party.
Oh. Thursday. Today is Sunday? So yeah, so it has to be done by Thursday is what you're saying.
Oh, the oil cooler won't be here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it together with just the factory one, and then I'm gonna add that oil cooler on when it gets here.
Okay.
The one that eliminates the liquid to liquid cooler.
Yeah. The one that we just bought, you mean, for $1,000, whatever it was?
Oh
Yeah.
my god. That one is I think it's right over here. So you only added the one cooler, right? The other cooler behind the grill was already there. Did you add
No,
that?
no, that was added as well. The one behind the grill and the one hanging down low, those are the two air to oil coolers. And
Okay,
then
so you added both of those ones.
yeah.
Okay.
And then,
They're both coming out.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't like how they're in anyways, because they piggyback off the oil filter.
yeah.
And what that does is right here, it hangs the oil filter about an inch lower.
Yes, it does, yes.
So I don't like that because
Yeah.
it's very easy to hit it and knock it off. 'Cause
Yeah, I was always worried about that.
I put a couple engines in trucks back in Alberta where they knocked the oil filter off and ran them out of oil and seized them up. So that I don't like anything that drops the oil filter down or bigger oil filters that can contact road debris. So that's
Yeah,
good
that
that
makes
comes
sense.
out.
Yeah, yeah.
And
But the oil, the coolant filter, that one's garbage too, you're saying, right?
yeah, well, I don't want to put anything that was contaminated. Like you can't really flush those coolers out, those little tiny wafer passages. So anything that had that contaminated oil in it, you know, especially for warranty purposes, you want your warranty on it. You want all the coolers replaced. Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Now, I had a question for you. Did you ever put stop leak or anything in this for a coolant leak or anything?
No, no.
Okay. Because sometimes people do that. They get a coolant leak and they put stop leak in there and that'll plug up coolers
Yeah.
and raise your oil temperature.
No, we didn't, but I mean, we didn't get it new, right? We
Well,
bought this thing.
that's the thing, right? And that's
Yeah.
what I don't know.
Yeah, we have no idea how it was maintained.
Also, the coolant is all old. It's all the old orange coolant. And that, we discontinued that a few years ago now. So I'm gonna flush the whole system in the back too. And get rid of as much as that old coolant as I can and put all new coolant in it.
What are you doing?
You came home from work and then you started working on this.
Pretty much. That's what I do.
How to be young.
TV or something.
Yeah, wow,
Keep busy.
yeah. That's amazing.
The dog is my mechanical apprentice.
Does he?
And how's the training going?
Very well. He listens better than the young guys at work.
Does she bring tools when you need them?
Toys.
Oh, toys,
He hasn't
tools.
figured out the toys to tools yet. That's coming. That training is coming.
What do you want? What do you want?
That's the radiator?
That's the size of the one in the motorhome. It's got
Huge.
plastic.
Yeah.
Plastic. Yeah, I didn't realize they were so big. The
It's slightly off.
Tiffin had a radiator that size. Goodbye, sweetheart. A great dog. This is what we need, a place like this.
Yeah.
Big piece of property, fence it off. The dogs run around like crazy.
Yeah.